Hello everyone, today I'm back to introduce. Let me give you a product that is Xiaomi smartband 8 active. By now you also know that Xiaomi produces many products. And Xiaomi products are our prestigious and youthful brand products. Previous Xiaomi lines such as Xiaomi smartband 7 has given users a pretty good feeling. They came back with Mi Band 8 active and its price cheaper than smartband 7 at the time of launch. Today I will briefly review the Xiaomi smartband 7 product. There is a difference. How does it compare to products from previous generations of Xiaomi? Then Xiaomi will give us it as a thread, USB magnetic charging cord, an instruction book. This is our main product. This product will have an elongated, sized pill-shaped design. 4.8 by 22.5 by 10.1. Weight is only approx to 7 gr, including strap. On the body of Mi Band 8 active, it won't be any different from Band 7. It is not designed with physical buttons. This part will help that product become compact and in elegance and simplicity when worn on the hand. Mi Band 8 active has a good frame rubber coated. That's why this product is not just one, not only is it a tool to support health, it is also a fashion accessory for everyone. As for charging, currently Mi Band 8 active will give you a charging cord. You will connect it to the back part. And when you turn on the watch to connect, you will download the Mi Fitness app. By scanning the QR code. For now, it will give users entertainment vs light games because this product integrates the above games. And especially there will be health monitoring function. And it will be packed with features such as monitoring health status, measuring blood oxygen levels, measuring stress levels and measuring heart temperature. Compared to the design of the previous line, the product will be more compact than Band 7. This product has a battery life of up to 16 days. It will help users not need to worry about battery. Currently, Mi Band 8 active has a quite friendly price from the company and form. This is a product to buy.